Hello everyone, welcome to part 22 of Dating Social Networking website in Laravel 5.6 and 5.7 as well. And in this video, we are going to work on my photos page once again. Okay, so in last video we have seen that my photos section, we have seen that we have uploaded some of the photos from my photos page. Means user can upload his photos and the photos reach in the user photos table and also in the photos folder as well. And now in this video we are going to show these photos. Okay, so this thing we are going to do in this video, we are going to show the photos here at the bottom. Whatever user upload, we will show them, and we are going to show them with their status, means active inactive kind of status, because every photo the admin will approve first, only then the photos will be active on the website. But the user who uploads the photo can see all his photos, whether it's active or inactive. But in the case of other users, means who are searching for dating profile, can only see the active photos, they can't see the inactive photos. So this time we are going to work on this photo section once again, and view feature we are going to work on. Okay, so let's start. In part 22, we are going to display user photos. Okay, in user my profile section, in my photos, in my photos page. Okay, that we have created last time. Okay, I am writing here because it will be more clear to you if I will write like this. According to the feedbacks I got from my friends, and so I am writing here. So whatever photos user going to add will be approved by the admin first, and user can see which of his photos are active. Okay, from this my photo section. Okay, I can write like this, my photos page. Okay, so let's start to show the photos. And now we are going to update step 3 function that we have created for photos. Okay, you can create your own functions and own page names like we have created in step 3, but you no need to worry. You can create it like this, my photos. You can create like this, my photos, like this. You can create my dating profile. You can create like this, my dating profile. In all these cases, you just need to update in your route file. Very easy to update. Okay, you can means just make changes here. See, you can just make changes here, and your desired URL you can means add. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, you can make changes here and give your required URL. Okay, here we're talking about the photos, and now we are going to take the first step. We are going to update the step 3 function. Okay, so first of all, we will update step 3 function in I think it's in user controller. Let me see once. Yeah, it's in step 3 function. It's in user controller. Okay, it's fine. So in user controller, okay, to get all user photos, so that we can get all user photos, okay, that user has added. Okay, and we will return these photos and return to step 3 step 3 dot plate index.php file. Okay, we are going to return these photos as well. Okay, so now we are going to take this step. Okay, so let's do here in step 3 function. You can see here is the code, and we can add our code here that is for display, not for post. It's not for submitting the form that we have already done, but when the user clicks here on this link, then means photos will appear. Okay, so here we will first get the user ID. User ID we can simply get from the auth function by getting it like ID. Okay, after that we are going to get the user photos. Okay, like this we can do user photo, and here we will first add the model name. Okay, so like this we can add the model name and then user ID like this. Now we can see here in step 3 there is some error, some issue has come. Okay, we need to check what issue is coming exactly. User, if user ID we can nothing. We might have used auth in other place as well. Here also we have done the same thing. Okay, so there is maybe some issue we have created. Okay, fine. Like this we need to like this. Now it will come, I think. No, my photos. Yeah, now it is coming fine. Okay, now auth ID is coming like this in for user ID. Okay, now see all the photos are coming like this. Okay, see all the photos information that it's for user ID means all the data in the user table, whatever data is stored in the user table is coming here now. Okay, the ID, user ID, photo, default photo status, everything is coming here, and just we need to show the photo here that we are going to show. Okay, all this data now we are sending to user photos. Okay, like now if we require only these two columns, like photo column we require and status column we require, then we can send these two columns only. We can send these two columns. Okay, yeah. And if you also want to show the date when the user added this photo, yeah, then we can also send the date. Okay, then we can select, or we can use the select statement if you want only particular data. Otherwise you can do like this in the same manner like we have done right now. Okay, so now this thing we can remove this thing we have tested. Now just we need to send the data like this, photos. Okay, like this we can send the data to the blade file, step 3 blade file. Okay, so now we are going to update step 3 blade file for getting the photos. Okay, so now we will display all the photos that user added. Okay, so, okay, so So we will display all the photos that user added in step 3.php file in for each loop. Sorry for that. So now we are going to update this step 3.blade.php file, but we want the structure like this. First, we are going to refresh this page. Here we want some structure, and we can open our template, and we'll get some kind of structure from there, and you can add of your own structure, but we will search from our template. Okay, this is the file. So we will add the photos like this. Okay, we will display the photos like this, like provided in our love story template. Okay, and we will use such kind of thing. So okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick this one, and here I will search something like sorry for it. So I can search this thing here. So now I can get this one. Play.php file. We can add this thing here. Yeah. Okay. Now the information must come here like this. Yeah. Okay. Now we will remove the extra column we don't require. We require only one that will put in for each, and we also don't require that much data. Also we can remove all these data as well. Okay. And also we are going to keep it afterwards like this. Yeah, that is fine, I think. Yeah, and more is not required, and we can move more as well. So you can also do this kind of changes at your end. So here link is also not required, we can remove link as well. And now we need to start the for each loop here. Okay, now add the for each, and we are having there user photos as dollar photo. Okay, like this, and this is going to close here. And here also we will collect the path. Here we require the path where we are storing the photos. Okay, so we will check this path. This we are storing images, then front-end images, then photos. Okay, then we are going to use this path here. Okay, so here we can simply create it like this: images. After that, front-end images. Okay, after that photos. Okay, after that we can add the photo like here, like we are getting in dollar photo, and our column name in table is photo again. So we can do like this. Okay, so like this we can get the photo, and we can see if photo comes here or not. See, photos now coming. Okay, so now we can display here status. Okay, status we can display, and if you will do like this, status will come here as well. We know that status is coming from the status column, but here we will not show 013 status is inactive for all, and here then we need to add the if condition. Okay, so we will add if condition here, like that of if photo status equal to 1, then it must be active, and inactive like this. Okay, so this one is not required. Now we can see it looks fine. Inactive, all these status are inactive. Okay, so only admin, if admin approved, suppose if admin approved and upload one of the photo like this, okay, then the status will be active. See here, this photo has been approved, so this has become active like this. And also we require some kind of, I think, clear class here. Let's see, some space in between we require. No, that is not a, it is not fine. What we can do like this. Because we want some space. Now it's changing fine. See here, now there is some space, and can repeat. I don't know much about CSS, but you can do like this. Okay, see here, now status inactive for all the photos, and in the beginning as well you can add this one here as well. Okay, so we want some gap after commit. Okay, so now it looks fine. Okay, all the photos are coming that the user added. We can once again do this kind of thing in a clean manner. Okay, let's empty the table. Okay, now user photo is empty, and here also we can empty everything. And okay, now only two photos we will add, and now here refresh here, it is empty as well. So only two we will add, open and submit, click on submit, and then check the photos, your photos has been added successfully, and see here both the photos has been added and the status is inactive. Okay, because here it's 0, so that's why status is inactive, and you can see here as well the photos has arrived. Okay, so you have seen in video. You can also take help from index.html. Okay, so we can copy the format from index.html file from fill template. Okay, and add foreach loop to show all photos that user added. Okay, so this thing we have done now, and can see in video photos are coming fine with the status. Okay, so in next video able to delete photos, their photos as well. We will also use photos from photos folder. So stay tuned for next video. Thanks so much. So I hope everything is clear to you, and now you can add the photos, as many photos as you want, and the photos also going to display here. Okay, so in next video, user can able to delete his photos as well, and we will also delete the photos from the photos folder as well. And then we will also do the admin part of it, and admin can approve these photos. Only then it will be viewed to other users as well. Okay, then that's the end of this video. Have a nice time. Goodbye.